Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new here. Today we are checking out another accessory for your MetaQuest 3 headset. This is the K4 Comfort head strap made by Kiwi Design. It retails for $56 Canadian on their website. You can use my promo code Brian Sloan, all capital letters, for an extra 5% off. I'll link that below. We're going to unbox it. I will show you how to assemble it. I will give you my review of it in the end as well. If you haven't checked out my other accessory reviews, I encourage you to do so. I'll link that playlist here as well. Let's jump into this one. Okay, let's open this one up. We got the Comfort head strap, as you can see there. Kiwi Design always has nice boxes. We have our back pad attached to our top strap there. We got our user manual, and we got our head strap. So if you have a different head strap on your headset, first what we're going to need to do is remove that. So if you haven't ever removed a head strap, I'll do a quick little overview of how to do that. I actually have, this is the Kiwi Design SPC battery head strap, but if you have other ones, it'll be a similar process. We just need to take it off, and so I usually just pinch it at the top here and it'll come loose. Pinch it at the bottom there, it came loose. You can remove the top strap. Sometimes you can do this without removing the facial interface, but other times it's just easier to remove the facial interface. We'll see what happens here. There we go. That came right out there. Just set that down there. And we are also going to remove my current facial interface anyways once we start assembling the new one there. Okay, so to assemble this, you're going to want to take this piece with the padding and we're going to attach it to this. You'll notice a big R and a big L. You want to line those up with the big R's and the big L's that you can see on this here. And they're just going to pinch in there. You could hear those clip right in nicely. And that's all you need to do for that. I'm going to take this top strap here. This is going to come down and it's going to go inside here. You're just going to feed it through. Now, in some of the videos I've seen, people are having troubles getting this top strap through, not necessarily for this head strap, but for any type of head strap. And somebody in the comments actually said that they took a piece of tape to the end of it here and fed it through, so there was more leverage to grab it, and that worked for them. So if that works for you, please go ahead and do that. Now we're going to put these on. I usually start by feeding in this part right here first, right where my thumb is here, and then I'll just gradually apply pressure to the front and it just clips right in. So again, line up the back piece, apply pressure to the front, and it clips right in. Now what we can do first here is reinsert our facial interface. There we go. Okay, so what you can see here, this is actually different than many of the other Kiwi Design head straps that I have previously reviewed and currently use. You can see it's smooth on the back here, so that's going to be nicer for when you're laying down or resting against a couch or something, or a pillow or whatever, if you're sitting down in a recliner, I don't know. And you can see that there's the knob right here to extend that out, and then the opposite way will extend it in. Okay, so it gives a nice smooth back padding there instead of having a bump there with the knob on the outside. This one's just the Comfort head strap. It's not a battery head strap, so we don't have any cords or anything coming out the side. It is just like that. So I'm going to try this one out, and then we'll come back and give you my review. Okay, so I've had a chance to try out this head strap, and I wanted to give you a try on of it so you can see what it looks like on, and then give you my review of it here as well. So you can easily loosen it by turning the knob counterclockwise. It has pivots here, so you can lift it up if you'd like, and then put it right back down. There we go. If you want to, if this isn't tight enough on top, you can always just undo this and pull it tighter, put it to where you need it. And there we go. To take it off, you can easily just turn this, lift it up, and there you go. Tighten it down for storage a little bit. and pretty easy. So the back padding is really nice and soft. I like the way it cradles the head. It has a little bit of a pivot here, and so it can actually kind of, I would say, mold, I guess, to your head a little bit better than if it was just, you know, stiff and it wasn't able to move. Top padding up here is nice and soft, easy to adjust. I actually do like that it's smooth on the back. At first when I saw it, I was like, oh, where's the knob? But to integrate it into this back support here is actually a really nice touch. I'm really glad that they did that and are taking that step forward. They might do that with their battery packs. I'm not sure. We'll see in the future. So that's a really good thing. The pivots here make it really nice, and it's just a simple comfort head strap. If you're looking for something simple, you don't need a battery, you don't like the halo strap kinds, you want an elite strap style, this is definitely a quality comfort head strap to go with. I would highly recommend it here. Kiwi's always had really solid products. I've used their battery head straps, their SPC battery head straps for both the Quest 2 and now the Quest 3, and that's just the style that I like, and so I would definitely recommend this one. When I was playing, since it is this elite strap style, there was no movement of things going around. It was staying nice and secure on my head, but nice and padded as well. I didn't feel a strain on the back of my head or a strain on the top of my head. It was nice and padded in there. So if you have any questions about this one, in particular any other Kiwi Design products, feel free to comment below. I'm more than happy to give you my thoughts and give you my opinions on them. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you check out my other VR accessory reviews. We'll see you next time here on Brian Still an Artist.